Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the cooler where the drain will go. You already know the wall thickness. Now mark the exact center of the chosen port with a permanent marker, then measure for the bulkhead size. Once done, tape around the mark to prevent cracking and position a towel inside to catch plastic shavings. Make sure to wear eye protection and check that the tool and bulkhead match. Otherwise, you will need to resize before drilling and risk leaks later. You now drill the hole. Start with a small pilot, then progress with the step bit at low speed to prevent heat and cracking. Once the hole is clean, deburr both sides so the gasket seats flat. You place the bulkhead and test fit the interior flange, then apply a continuous bead of silicone between gasket and cooler wall. Make sure to hand tighten the nut, and then give it a small wrench quarter turn. This preserves the seal and prevents warping of the plastic. You finish by installing the spigot or hose adapter. Wrap plumber tape on threads when metal contacts plastic to improve sealing. Once installed, fill the cooler with 1 to 2 inches of water and closely inspect the inside seam and the exterior nut for any seepage. Make sure to let the sealant cure per instructions if used, otherwise give the connection time to settle. If you spot a drip, tighten slightly, drain, then reapply silicone or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.